Hey, to connect to Wi-Fi network on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, first of all, you have to open the settings. Now you have to go into the connections. And from this, turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking on the switcher and select Wi-Fi network. Now your smartphone is actually scanning from available devices and we got all available networks. And we've got two methods. The first one, you can just click on the right upper corner and enable the scanning by using the QR codes. So now in my case it looks like this, that on the second phone I have to share the Wi-Fi code, and now when I'm gonna scan this code like this, I will be automatically connected into the network. And the second way is to select the password. So if you click on the second network, you will have to enter the password. So when you click on this icon, you will be also able to see your password, and if this password is actually correct, you can click on the connect, and after this you will be connected successfully and your network will appear just right here. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.